Hi there, I am Kelly Schaffner and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing Natalie Attired. Natalie Attired is a clothing subscription service, and that's what I do here. I unbox clothing style boxes and online shopping and clothing hauls, everything clothing. So if you like that type of video, you have come to the right place. I hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, which is usually every other day. So I am glad that you are here. I wish I could offer you a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a bottle of water as we visit today and get into this clothing subscription box. Natalie Attired is a style service similar to Stitch Fix and some of the others out there. You fill out a style profile online, and then you are paired with a stylist who curates a box for you. There is a $20 styling fee, and that fee is deducted from anything you purchase in your box. You have 3 days with Natalie Attired to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. And if you keep the entire box, there is a 20% discount. You know, I told you several months ago that I was going to do my best to let you know what I was keeping out of every box. And you know what? I look back at my videos and realize I have failed. I often tell you in the comments what I am keeping or planning on keeping, but in my last Natalie Attired box that I received, I kept that kimono. I know that's disturbing to some of you ladies, but I kind of liked it. I have not worn it. I tried it on in one other video, but I haven't worn it yet. But I will tell you, the first kimono that I bought from Natalie Attired, I wore last Sunday night. But from my last box, I purchased the coral tee, I purchased the mixed media tee, and I purchased the kimono. I've never received a 5 for 5 with Natalie Attired. I'm hoping that's what this is. So let's break into it. This is what the box looks like. And everything is wrapped up in a bundle. We have a return mailer. I can return anything I don't want to keep postage free. And there is my bundle. Looks kind of interesting. Here it is from this side. Do I see green? I do see green. Yay. Although it looks like pastel green, and I'm not real crazy about pastels. Then we have the price sheet, which I will look at later. Personal note from my stylist. My stylist is Annie. It says, "Hi Kelly. This collection includes an easy-to-wear, super cute wrap dress from Gilly. I also included a pair of our popular cuff capris with summer top to go with them. Enjoy, Annie." And on the back of that, it tells me everything that I need to know about. Oh, good. You know, the good thing is the capris aren't white, which I have such a hard time with white. So, okay, the first thing, oh, this must be the Gilly wrap dress. Yes, this is Gilly, and this is a lovely blue. The dress, fortunately, looks long enough, and is this a true wrap? It looks to be a true wrap dress. This is a polyester, it feels like, or a rayon blend. I'll check it out and let you know in the try-on. So this looks very promising. I hope there's enough coverage up top. Next we have a velvet heart top. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. I like the stripes with the flowers. I like the collar up here. I wear a lot of these tops with the just cotton tops with the collar that button up in the summertime. I love them. But look at this cute detail in the back. The way it's cut in the back. We'll have to see how that looks on. And this also has the 2 pockets in the front. Yay! This looks like a Kelly top. So I'm excited about that one. Next we have, this is Benares. And okay, this is a really long, like tunic length top, which is not my favorite. I received something that looks an awful lot like this in my Nadine West, but I like the colors on this. It's got a big keyhole back, but it looks tunic length to me, which I don't really like. It's always like, is it a dress? Is it a shirt? That's how I feel about tunic length. If this was just a little bit shorter, I'd be really happy about it. This one is by Hummingbird, and this feels almost like a sweater. This is a pretty heavy, this is a waffle knit, and so this is a tank, but it's a real flowy, like almost like a trapeze style. Do we have an uneven? Yeah, there's an asymmetrical hem on that. And I might like it. What do you think? I don't think pastels look that great on me. But, whoops. Oh my gosh, I'm going to like these. I already know I'm going to like these. These are Liverpool capris with a great big cuff on them. I have some pants that are real similar to this. And we have the distressing in the front. You see that? Are they patched though? Yay, they're patched. I don't care for my little chubby knees poking out like a Sharpay. That's what my husband would say. So I am happy that these are patched. And the back has no distressing at all on them. They're just a little bit lighter washed in the derriere. So, okay, let's cross our fingers because first impressions are not that great with this box. First up is the ghillie dress. This is it. And this is a true wrap dress. I am pleasantly surprised. There's plenty of coverage in the front, and it was very easy to put on, surprisingly. It wasn't a puzzle. And so this is what it looks like. And I like the length of the dress. Let me stand back here so you can see the length of the dress. This is a good length for me. Let's watch the movement when I walk. You know, this dress is lovely. I would wear it. I'm not crazy about it. This is a polyester dress. It's got like 2% spandex in it. It's not a stretchy dress at all, but I just feel like it would be a little bit warm for where I live for a summer dress. So I'm not sure. Just not sure. I think, you know, the price point will probably be the biggest factor in this dress because I would wear it. I like this dress, but I'm not crazy about this dress. Next up is this top by Velvet Heart, and I'm afraid it's just a little bit too big. These arms are a little bit too big, and it's doing nothing for my shape. Check out the back. What do you think? I had such high hopes for this one. It's got the pockets here. Does anyone ever use these pockets? I mean, I never use these pockets, but that's always a detail on shirts that I say, oh, look, it's got a pocket. And I know my husband likes to have a pocket on his shirts, but I've never used these. So anyway, this is the top, and I'm disappointed. I wish it fit, and it's doing nothing for me. And I thought this was the cutest thing in the box. This is the Benaire top, and as I suspected, it is super duper long. This is a tunic length, and that's not my cup of tea, but this is what it looks like. See how it looks on the side. I mean, it's not bad, but oh gosh. Yeah, this just isn't my cup of tea. This is a size medium, and so this is probably the correct size for me. It just isn't, it doesn't do anything for me. I'm not crazy about it. I'm trying to only keep pieces that I love, and if this was like this length, what do you think? I mean, this is just, it's a cute pattern. I like the colors. It's summertime. It's just not me. It's just not me. All right, the last top is by Hummingbird, and this is a pastel green. So it's, you know, it feels like a real high quality fabric, but check it out. The hemline is what's getting me, and it's got the unfinished hem there, so I wonder how that's going to play out. This is a polyester rayon blend. And so check out the hemline. So this feels comfortable. I like that. It feels like high quality, so I like that as well. I'm just uncertain if this is a good look on me. And also the color. I've been wanting green, and this is kind of like a mint green pastel color. I don't know. I don't know if this looks nice on me. My husband's sleeping, so I can't run it by him. Let me know what you think about this one. And the last thing in this box is the Liverpool crop pants, and this cuff is stitched up, so they'll stay like this. I did check my closet because this looked like something I had, and I do have something very similar, but they are a full-length pant with that cuff on them. So I don't have anything that looks exactly like this. And I say that to you because these feel amazing. Liverpool is a great brand, and perhaps I'm trying to justify I want to keep something in this box. So I like the patch in the distressing here, and I'm kind of poking out a little bit, but anyway, this is what they look like. This is the length, and they feel amazing. They've got the pockets in the back, working pockets in the front with a coin pocket, and pockets in the back. Very little distressing in the back. I don't get that. Like, why isn't it evenly distressed? I don't want holes in my rear end, but it's just strange that they distress the front and not the back. So I'll look at the price. I'm guessing they're $89. That's kind of the standard price for a Liverpool. So let me know what you think about these. If this is the hidden gem, do I need another pair of crop pants? I don't know. I don't know. Let's look at the prices. Okay, you have seen the prices. I am looking at them for the first time. Natalie Attired, I noticed, has the prices on some of their clothing, and I saw the price tag on this. I think it was $39. So let's see. The Hummingbird sleeveless asymmetrical waffle top is $32. So the $32 is a fair price for this top. I just don't know if it does enough for me to even put it in my closet, to be honest with you. I'm still wearing the Liverpool crops, and these are $89, just like I predicted, and they're probably my favorite thing because they actually fit. So let me know what you thought about the way they look on me. The wrap dress, which I did like, is $69, and that's by Gilly. I am collecting a lot of Gilly dresses. I really like them, and I did like this one. I'm just not wowed by it. So again, $69 for the Gilly dress. This top that I like so much, I've never done an exchange with Natalie Attired, but this is the Velvet and Heart sleeveless stripe button down top. It's $69. $69. Does anyone think it's $69 cute? You know, I told you I have several of these in my closet. They're perfect for the summer heat, and I don't think I've ever paid more than $25 for them. They're just a simple cotton top. So I don't know for $69 if I want to do an exchange on that. And then what is this one? This is the Bonaire sleeveless keyhole top. This is $79. It's lovely. It's not my style. I probably have to put that in my notes, not to send me tunics, because I don't know how to wear them, and I don't really want to wear them, to be honest with you. And so I feel like I'm saving $79 by sending that back. So did I go over everything? The pants, $89. So the total of this box is $338. If I was to buy everything, plus my styling fee would be applied towards that, it would be $254.40. I'm not keeping it all. I've never got a 5 for 5 with Natalie Attired, but I have scored some very unique pieces. That's one of the reasons I really like this service is the clothing that they send is just a little bit different from clothing that I find either in the stores or that my other sub boxes are sending to me. So I am going to continue with Natalie Attired. If you want to give it a try, I will leave my referral link below and you can try Natalie Attired and get all the information about the company there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this box. I hate to send an entire box back. If there's a styling fee involved, I want to purchase something. So I'm also trying to do my very best not to purchase items that I am not in love with. And the one item in this box that I will wear and get use out of are the Liverpool crops. So if you can offer any assistance in my decision making, I would appreciate it. I always love it when you join the conversation, so thank you for doing that. Thank you for sticking around and watching this video. I have another one coming out in 2 days. I hope it's going to be a great box filled with clothing that I will want to purchase, so be on the lookout for that one. And until we meet again, blessings to you.